Hello and welcome. Today we are going to learn about operators in Ruby. So let me create a new file and I will call this as operators.rb, and in the main.rb file I will run this. So here I'll go to operators.rb. Now in Ruby we have mathematical operators and I can just say 10 plus 20, and if I run this it will print 30, the result of addition. Then we have subtraction. I can say 20 minus 10. I can say I can multiply 10 multiply 20, or we can divide. I can say 20 divide by 10, and then we have a modulus operator. This will show the remainder of this calculation, and if I run this you can see this shows us the remainder of this 7 divided by 3 calculation. Then we have a exponential which is double star, that means 2 raised to the power 3, and if I run this it is printing 8, which is 2 raised to the power 3 is 8. And then we have some comparison operators as well. So I can say here 2 equals 3, and if I run this it is printing false. Then I can say 2 not equals 3, and if I run this it is printing true. So here is a equals operator, not equals operator. Then we have greater than, 2 greater than 3, then we have less than, and we can have greater than equal to, and then we can have a comparison operator less than equal to. And if I run all this, let us see the output. So you can see all this output here. Now we can also have a ternary operator. So here I can say I'm saying 2 is greater than 3, and I will give a question mark, and then I'm saying if this is true, if the calculation comes to true, then print 2, else print 3. So kind of a if else statement in a single line. So here I'm saying 2 greater than 3, this is the calculation. If it is true it will print 2, else it will print 3. So let me just run this and check. So here you can see it is printing 3 because this is false. So this is a ternary operator, and these are some basic operators. There are a lot of other operators in Ruby, and these are the basic operators that you can start with. I hope this was useful. I will meet you in the next session. Thank you for watching.